So my profession is a hairdresser, so when I first wanted to start offering head spa treatments, I was struggling to find a bed that I could fit into my salon where I could still work around my chair, do hair and also use it for removing colour and every day-to-day salon use. That's when I found this. It folds up nice and small like a chair and then it completely reclines so it turns into a bed. Clients absolutely love it. They've all said how comfortable it is, and I've actually made a lot more money from my head spa treatments. I've started offering a little 15-minute head spa add-on, so when you have your colour removed I can then turn the jets on and give a nice little massage. It comes with a air massage built in, so while clients are lying there they get a nice massage and yeah, they feel really relaxed. So let me show you all the benefits and what it's got. It lays completely flat, so there's no pressure on your client's neck and no worry about them getting wet either. You can use just the shower head by itself. And you can adjust the pressure. Or you can turn on the jets. And again, you can adjust the pressure by turning off the shower head. And this will give you the really nice jet. This completely twists, so you can have it touching your client's head as much as you want. I also love that you can change it to a rainfall. Clients find that this feels really nice. It's quite gentle on the scalp and it gets the blood flowing. I could just watch that all day. How relaxing is that? This is where the controls are for your pressure and for the head spa unit. This headrest is so comfortable, even when I don't have the headrest on. If I'm washing a colour off and I need to get right the way around the head. Temperature gauge here. As you can see, it's got a nice deep basin, so you don't have to worry about the hair getting knotted and tangled. It also comes with a hair catcher, which is also a plug, so you can fill the sink up with water, which is very helpful.